हेलो बच्चों, माई सेल्फ विपिन सर। टुडे वी डिस्कस हाइड्रोलिसिस रिएक्शन। द सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन in which one of the ligands in an octahedral complex like Ml5X is replaced by H2O molecules are by OH group are called hydrolysis reaction. That is Ml5X power plus minus n plus H2O equal Ml5H2O whole power plus minus n plus x power minus, where x is halogen group. Example: bromine, chlorine, etc. In this, if addition of H2 and replace halogen group, they show the acid hydrolysis. And X group or X ligands replaced by hydroxide group are called base hydrolysis. Then there are two types. One is equation or acid hydrolysis reaction. In this, the reaction in which a water molecules replace a coordinated ligand from the complex are called equation or acid hydrolysis. This reaction occur in neutral and acid solution which have pH value is less than 3. For example, CuNH3 5X power plus 2 plus H2O in excess amount to form CuNH3 5H2O power plus 3 plus X minus, where X is halogen group, chloride, bromide, iodide, right? Then the EVAP reaction is found to be first order as the rate of reaction is depends only on the concentration of the complex. Do you already know the first order reaction? The sum of the power of exponent is 1. That is, for example, hydrolysis of ester, CH3 COO C2H5 plus excess amount of water to form acetic acid and alcohol. The rate of reaction depend upon the concentration of reactant. The concentration of reactant is 0 and the concentration of ester is 1. Hence, it shows the first order reaction. Similar, like rate of this reaction, K is the proportionality constant, CuNH3 5X power plus 2 and H2O. The concentration of H2O is 0. R K and into H2O are another constant are K dash. We suppose K and H2O are the another constant K dash and K dash into CONH3 5X power plus 2, where K dash is equal to K into H2O. This is known concentration of water is constant it is SN1 or SN2 cannot be decided from the rate law. That is, this is does not show the actual information of SN1 or SN2, right? Hence, the factor affecting the acid hydrolysis. We discuss the factor affecting the acid hydrolysis. Number first, effect of chelation. When NH3 molecule in CuNH3 5X power plus 2 complex ion are replaced partially or completely by bidentate or polydentate ligand such as EN. EN means ethylene diamine. CH2, NH2, CH2, NH2. In this, two lone pair donor atom, right, of NH2 group. Next example, EDTA. EDTA is hexadentate ligand. In this two atom are donor, oxygen and nitrogen, right? According to Killiat effect, the central metal atom form the more ring structure is more stable. Example that NH3 6, and another example is NAN का thrice plus minus N plus minus N. In both case, NH3 is monodentate and EN is bidentate, right? In comparison to NH3 are formed one coordinate bond to central atom, while EN are formed two coordinate bond to central atom. In this complex form the more than ring structure than this complex. Hence, this complex are more stable than this. But in comparison to this EDTA plus minus N show the variable charge which the help of find the oxidation number of central metal atom. It is fixed according to ligands, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, different something according to ligands. Hence, in both cases, these are more stable because one EDTA form the 6 ring structure. These are attached to, this is called the EDTA. It means कि one EDTA form the 6 coordinate bond, while one EN ethylene diamine form the 2 coordinate bond. Hence, more ring structure in EDTA, hence it is more stable. Then the stability increases and the rate of equation or acid hydrolysis of the complex is decreases. जैसा कि अभी एक्सप्लेन किए कि मोर देन रिंग स्ट्रक्चर, मोर देन स्टेबिलिटी, बट रेट ऑफ एसिड हाइड्रोलिसिस आर डिक्रीजेज. Some examples are given. Complex ion cis CONH3,4Cl2. It means diamine dichloro cis diamine dichloro cobalt. Third, its acid hydrolysis rate of equation or reaction very fast, while cis CON twice Cl2 power plus 1 charge. In both cases, it have the ring structure, but NH3 have not so the ring structure. Hence, these are less stable in comparison to this. But rate of acid hydrolysis are very fast. It means greater, and this is lesser. जैसे this very fast, इसका 150. Hence, cis CO tri-in cobalt tri-in Cl2 plus 90. Right? Next, effect of leaving group. Next, effect of leaving group. It means कौन लिगेंड्स किसको पहले रिप्लेस कर सकता है, मतलब किसके पास कितनी टेंडेंसी थी रिप्लेस करने की, कौन किसको रिप्लेस कर सकता है. तो द रेट ऑफ एसिड हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ CONH3,5X पावर प्लस 2 डिपेंड्स अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ लिविंग ग्रुप. X is the living group because the bond breaking step is important in rate determining step, because any complex compound, if the incoming ligand are attacked, then both cases they form the intermediate or transition product depend on the ligand. Hence, it depends upon two types. One is associative and second is dissociative. Associative, in this MX6 plus incoming ligands is Y, then in this coordination number is 6, but in this coordination number is 7. Again further MX5Y plus X, coordination number is 6. It means this mechanism are so the associative pathway according to cis and trans effect. Dissociative pathway represent the MX6 plus Y incoming ligand, then MX5, then attack MX5 and Y. In this coordination number is 5, this coordination number is 6, and this coordination number is 6. So it depends upon the nature of ligand. Leaving group, such leaving group are given and in their decreasing order. Carbonic, NO3 minus charge, iodide, bromide, chloride, sulfate, fluoride, acetate, thiocyanide or nitrate. The decreasing order of the thermal stability, it depends upon the thermal stability in decreasing order. These two factors are so the acid hydrolysis of the factor affecting, right? Okay, next, second types are base hydrolysis reaction. In this अभी just हमने explain किया, if H2O living group replaced by H2O, this show the acid hydrolysis, and if living group replaced by या R ligands replaced by OH group are known base hydrolysis reaction. Next, the reaction in which a hydroxo complex is formed by the replacement of ligand by OH minus or hydroxy group from the complex are called base hydrolysis reaction. It means any complex replace the leaving group by or ligand by hydroxy group are called base hydrolysis. Such reaction occur in the basic solution pH is greater than 10. It means this reaction or proceed is greater than the pH value of 10. That is some example. CuNH3 5X power plus 2 plus H2O to form CuNH3 5H2O power plus 3 plus X minus. In this we break the H2O to form H2O break to form H plus and OH minus. Then hydroxy group, this attack on central metal atom power plus 2 plus OH minus to form in slow step to form CuNH3 5 Cl OH power plus. Again further first step to remove the Cl minus CuNH3 5 OH plus 2. Next, in this coordination number is 6. When hydroxy group are attacked or replace the ligands in slow step, then to firstly form coordination number 7. This is so the intermediate. In this increase the coordination number. These are unstable. According to it, already we discussed in third year, associative pathway and dissociative pathway. According to associative pathway, incoming ligand attack on central atom to increase the coordination number in slow step. Then again first step to remove the another ligand and to form initial state to form coordination number 6. Mechanism of base hydrolysis, right? चलिए देखते हैं. The above reaction explain on the basis of SN2 displacement mechanism. SN2. Do you know SN2 already? Nucleophilic substitution, bimolecular reaction. In this, transition state are formed which have high energy. In this, both cases are simultaneously occurring. One is bond breaking and other is bond making, right? Hence in this case the energy are high, right? Then CuNH3 5Cl power plus 2 plus OH minus. In slow step CuNH3 5Cl OH power plus. SN2 mechanism. Then total addition, coordination number is 7. Again first step, remove the chloride ion and hydroxide ion, add to form again coordination number 6, right? Next, the rate of reaction is K into complex into base. चूँकि we know according to SN2 reaction the rate is directly proportional to the concentration of reactants and base or reagent, right? Both in this case K into complex base. Complex are these CuNH3 5 Cl plus 2 and base OH minus. Then K is the proportionality constant, or rate constant, CuNH3 5 Cl plus 2 into concentration of OH minus. Hence it show the second order reaction. It show the second order reaction because concentration of the hydroxide ion is 1 and concentration of this complex is already 1. Hence the rate of reaction is 1 plus 1 2. Hence it show the second order reaction. Why? The limitation of base hydrolysis reaction. The above mechanism fails to explain by SN2 dissociation. It fails on the basis of explaining SN2 dissociation because at high concentration of OH minus ions, the rate of reaction does not depend on OH minus ion concentration and appear the first order reaction with respect to the complex ion only. That is its limitation. So the rate is CuNH3 5 Cl power plus 2 and concentration of OH minus. High concentration of OH minus then does not consider, hence rate only depend upon the complex ion. Complex ion, it means rate equal to CO constant, rate constant CuNH3 5 Cl power plus 2. Hence order of reaction is 1. So it does not show the second order reaction, it behaves as first order reaction. Hence they do not follow the SN2 dissociation. Understand? Next, then we summarized SN1 conjugate base dissociation mechanism. Hence we discuss SN1 nucleophilic substitution unimolecular conjugate base dissociation mechanism. Then this topic discuss next video, right? Okay.